Ever wondered what space sounds like? It's not silent, and the truth is pretty spectacular. Since space is a vacuum, sound waves can't travel, but scientists use data sonification to turn cosmic images and radio waves into sound. Here's what an exploded star actually sounds like. And this is the sound of the Carina Nebula cosmic cliffs. And this one is my favorite, the Chandra Deep Field Sonification. Every colorful dot you see is a black hole. Space may be silent, but thanks to sonification, we can finally hear the cosmos. Want more mind-blowing space facts? Subscribe now and keep exploring the universe with us.